Hi my family, welcome back to another class. So I'm Nobel from Expart. So in here we are in another class. So in that class we just learned something important, so when you just work on Adobe Animate, so you have to run your background part and also your character part. So when your background running and also the character learning moving, so it's feel like you're doing something moving option. So that's how. So let's to the jump of the main thought. So let's do that. So in here, background. So this is the background. So that's the background, and let's just click it and just throw it on this Adobe Animate. And last class I told you how to make it convert it to Adobe file to Adobe Animate file. Just make it perfect sization. So in here you see this, there's the background in here. So I just want to be this background bit bigger. So it's here some moving option. So just copy it, and you see this part, and main important thing is, so this is the frame, and let's just transform it and fabric it so horizontally and just together. So when you just do that, you see this, everything is vanished and everything is like added together. So it here, so the main important thing, you see that this is the frame. What is our this is our page. So this what is on page, it will show on your on your screen. So again I told that that's the white part, this is the frame, and in that screen, this is the screen. So in that screen, what you give, it will show on your video. So this is the main part, so that focus on it. So that's our main part. So it's outside the board, it doesn't show, don't worry about that. So in here you see this, there's the landscape. We may just make the layer name is a background. So make the layer name is background. So in here, so you see this, there's the background layer. So we just make it a background layer, background layer locked, and we have the texts part. So just take it and throw it in Adobe Animate. So it will make use another layer. So just in here like this, just Adobe Animate. So this, so you see this, there's the textures part. In here you make two kind of style in here. So in here you can moving the background, so text will be stay in here, and one thing, text is also moving and the background also moving. So just make the text convert it to sample. Press the F8 to make it sample. So in here the graphics option, and make the registration is in the middle point, and this okay. So when you just make this sample, so it will be easier to control your all the vector part options. So make it sample. So when just this is the just let's introduce with that's the layer name it, just rename it. In here there's the car layer. Also this is the background layer, and the car layer, just car layer active. And first of all, if you want to move the car, so you can do one thing. So just make it you just make it sample, right? Just double click on your sample, just double click, you go to your another part, so you go to your inside of your animation. So now you are now in your inside of your animation. So in here, so just you do one thing, and we are in our inside the animation part. So you can do one thing. So this how, so just you can just in that frame, that's a frame, and take is another frame. So it will be give you, just press F5 and F6, just press F6 for no, F5. So that's the F6 option. So this part, just move it, so it feel you it's running, so like this. So this big part, you can make this little red. So when you see the one thing magic, so it will be feel like it's the red lights on off in here. And also you can press the F5. So for this make this animation bit more, this bit more, and press again F6 in here. So in here again you can change it and change the color a little bit, make it a little bit. So again press the F6, sorry, F5, and then just select this select the frame and press the F6 for press the F6, or take it convert to keyframe, and also you can take keyframe in here. So keyframe option in here. So in that how, and you just move it, and just move it. And also you can change this part into green. So in here you can see the magic, so it's like feel like it's moving. So you can do this is much better. So just go to the sense. So in here we are on sense. So you see that that's our taxi is in now background. So it's now moving, it's not now moving. So just make it, let me just work on basic, so it will be help you to better understand. So it's now on sense. You see that's the color and that's the background. So just make it, we are making this in a 10 second. Just go to the 7, 9, 10 second. It will be on 300 frames. Just always remember that that's the background layer. Also you have just, when you press the F6, just click, you get this your what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.